And by association of devotees, you build character. That's another way you build character. By following somebody, seeing somebody. If somebody is a role model, then the way he takes decisions, easily it soaks into you. Just like if you take Prabhupada as a role model, then immediately that character of Prabhupada soaks into you. No, I cannot do this. So in this material world, to wade through these three modes of material nature, come out successfully, we have to use our free will through the wisdom of the spiritual master, through the wisdom of the scriptures. There is a difference between knowledge and wisdom. Wisdom is integrated knowledge. Knowledge integrated with action and its consequence. That's called wisdom. We cannot forever remain in when you start with knowledge, then you act with that knowledge, then slowly that becomes wisdom. A mature devotee's free will is based on wisdom and not based on simply knowledge. It gets integrated. Knowledge, its application, and the consequences gets integrated. That becomes wisdom.